In this clip, I'm going to talk to you about some other accessories that make turning a bowl on the lathe a much more pleasurable experience. The first thing that you might need is a compass. This compass can draw a circle on a half a log up to 30 inches in diameter. So it's not the same kind of compass that you might have used in grade school. You'd have to get this from a wood-turning or woodworking specialty store. It has a carbide tip scribe, which is used to scribe your circle, but I could replace this with a pencil or a pen if I wanted to. Tape measure, always very easy and very handy to have around. Other measuring devices, this is a flexible curve ruler. It's nice to be able to use around areas or curves where a tape measure wouldn't fit. These are calipers. The calipers are used to measure the wall thickness of your bowl. When you turn a bowl, you want to make sure that your wall thickness is uniform all the way through, because as you're roughing out a bowl and it's green wood, if your wall thickness isn't uniform, you're going to have cracking and the bowl blank will be useless.